Hey, I'm Steve, and this is my 1984 Corvette. I got this thing not too long ago in non-running condition, and I've been doing some pretty good work on it, making some progress, but I still have a long list of things that are broke on this that I need to take care of before I can make it a real driver. So in today's video, I want to show you guys all the different things that are wrong with the car, and then kind of make a priority list of what I think I can knock out this weekend and get to work. There's nothing major wrong with the car right now. Like, she runs and drives, but there's just a lot of little stuff that I want to take care of before I consider it a daily driver. I mainly just been kind of driving around country roads, little drives here and there, just having fun with it. But if I wanted to like take it to work or do anything real, I need to get some of this stuff fixed before I can do that. For example, like the left blinker bulb. Is it necessary? No, but it is nice to let people know that you're going to turn left at a stop sign. So that's one thing. Another thing is the digital dash. It lights up and you can kind of see it if you have on the polarized sunglasses, but I really need to get that thing out, send it in and get it rebuilt. I could do it myself, but I think for that one, I'm just going to have somebody that knows what they're doing knock that out. The driver's side headlight works, but when it goes up every once in a while, it like so I'm currently a padiddle. I got the gear for it, just need to put it in. These seals right here, I think they're called door to dash seals. It is falling off, broken, crusty. There's metal in there that's rusted, and there's just rust falling out. So those things are expired. I can swap those out this weekend. I still haven't finished this door. There's a lot of reasons why I haven't finished this door, but long story short, I need to finish adjusting the window. I'm still not sure if I want to go with this regulator or if I want to get the updated regulator, and that's the main reason why. I think that I want to get a newer regulator. I don't want to patch this all back together and then be wishing that I would have put in a new regulator instead of this used one. So I think I'm going to order one of those and replace the 84 with the 85 and up regulator. I also have an exhaust leak where the exhaust manifold meets the exhaust tube. Kind of sounds like a go-kart or a really long-winded fart every time I accelerate, and that's been driving me nuts. That's honestly one of the first things I want to take care of there. I want to do a cat converter delete on this and maybe some updated exhaust, but for now, I at least want to fix the current stock exhaust and go from there. And while I'm in there screwing with that, I got an O2 sensor that I figured I might as well replace while I'm down there. I don't know if it's bad or not, but it was cheap and I'm gonna throw one on. Another thing that would be real nice bonus, especially in the summer when it's 95 degrees, is air conditioning. It has air conditioning and it works a little bit, but it doesn't blow on high and it blows kind of lukewarmish, coldish. You know, it's not awesome. It's okay. So from what I've read, I think that the not getting it to blow on high might be a simple fix. I gotta look into that a little bit more. I don't think I need to replace the blower. I think I just need to replace some part relay or something on there. And then as far as charging the AC, I don't know. I might do it. I might take it to a place. I don't know anything about air conditioning. What else we got on here? Oh, the driver's side speakers. They don't work. I'm not sure if it's because of the speakers or if it's because of the head unit. So got to figure that out. Something tells me it's the head unit. And the only thing left on the list after that is just the fuel pressure. I know that there's a way that you can check the fuel pressure. I just want to check it, double check, make sure it's getting the right fuel pressure. If not, I might replace the fuel pump with an upgraded, newer model fuel pump. We'll see what happens. There's one more thing. My Doug Nash. You can see the button is like falling through the hole. So it's not mounted correctly. And then also sometimes, I mean, I can click the button and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm assuming there's some wiring stuff going on underneath that button falling down. So I got to figure out what's up with that. Do I just need to rewire it? Do I need to replace the button? And how do I get it flush? I've never taken this off to see how this all works in there, but that's a thing. I currently do not have overdrive, which is nice when you're on the interstate. Oh, and it could probably also use a transmission flush. You got to flush the main transmission and the overdrive unit. While I'm under there, maybe I'll do that too. Think that's it. That's most of it. There's probably some other little things that I'm not thinking of or haven't written down, but that's the good majority of all the stuff that's wrong with this car. And I'm going to be just getting after it, trying to get as much done as I can, at least this weekend, and just knock out this list until it's done. So it's Friday. I'm just going to start plugging away at this list, get done as much stuff as I can get done in a weekend, and stay tuned on Sunday, Monday, to see the progress that I made. And as always, if you want to follow along on the progress of this 1984 Corvette, I would be honored if you would subscribe. Thank you.